Day 66. A backtest takes the algorithm you've written and replays it against historical data, simulating every trade your code would have made over that date range, using the start and end dates and the starting cache you set back and initialize. There's no extra code to write here. You just click the backtest button at the top of the QuantConnect editor, and QuantConnect handles the rest. It steps through history bar by bar, feeds your on-data method real price data, executes whatever orders your logic placed, and tracks the result. When it finishes, you get a statistics table. Here's how to read it. Net profit and end equity tell you the bottom line, how much money you made or lost, and what your account is worth at the end versus what you started with. Sharp ratio and Sortino ratio measure risk-adjusted return. They tell you whether your gains were earned smoothly or came from taking on wild swings. Below one is generally considered poor. Drawdown shows your worst peak-to-trough loss, the most your account ever fell from a high point before recovering. This is often the number that matters most, because it tells you how much pain you'd have had to sit through to earn the final result. Win rate and loss rate show what percentage of your trades were winners versus losers. But a high win rate doesn't always mean a good strategy. That's where average win, average loss, and profit loss ratio come in. They tell you whether your wins are actually bigger than your losses. Total orders and total fees show how active your strategy was and what it cost you in commissions along the way. Taken together, these stats tell you not just whether your algorithm made money, but how it made money, and whether you'd actually want to run it with real capital. That's everything you need to know about backtests in QuantConnect.